Life is like a battlefield, both at work and also at home, the social and work space and also at the personal space. The battlefront is open for you. Do we know that the war in our backyard has already been announced? Rather, the battle is on all the time. Are we able to sense and read the writings on the wall? Do we hear the sound of the battle lines and the fireballs? Is it possible to act like a gardener in a war or a warrior in a garden? Both the options are complex, so we must listen to the sound of the battle within, and it's possible only when we sense the leader within, who understands and diagnoses the battle every moment. The answer is, let's discover the battle within. The story from Mahabharata and the Arjuna-Krishna dialogue describes the intricate part of this learning process. Do we know that we have ability to overcome our own doubts, anxieties, limitations, and apprehensions? We may be knowing at a cognitive level the experience of being Arjuna and locating our.
अरे लोग इतने चीज सोचने लगे, मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं. And then you start reflecting yourself. So he is very honest in saying what he felt. अब कभी लोग काम करने के पहले चार चीज सोचते रहते हैं और फिर करते भी हैं, सोचते भी हैं. कुछ लोग करते नहीं, पहले सोचते ही रहते हैं. अर्जुन के साथ ये चारों हुआ, और खास करके युद्ध के मैदान में पूरी तरह से वो सब चीज से गुजर रहा था, और इसीलिए किंग कर्तव्य विमूढ़ बन गया. मगर अभी तो संजय और धृतराष्ट्र की बात हो रही है. आपको कैसा लगा इनसे?
Own inner Arjuna with the fear and the paradox of understanding, accepting, rejecting, questioning, and being unsure of oneself at the battlefront is the syndrome that is described in this Apex workshop conducted recently by Admit Leadership Academy. Would you like to rise above the cacophony and emerge victorious just like Arjuna did? He had to discover his own leader, who was with him all the time. Many of us don't have the leader to sense who is lying dormant within. Believe in ourselves. Inner strength is greater than the challenge ahead. How much we know and can assess the right potential of the leader within who is dormant? Can we rise above and grab the right opportunity to understand and sense the challenges, to confront the here and now? The workshop that describes of Arjuna, he was insensitive of here and now. The one-day workshop brings the complexities of insensitivity that he was facing in accepting, understanding and handling the realm of here and now.
मामका पांडवश्च किं कृवतु संजय. बोलो संजय कौन आया है यहाँ? मेरे मित्रों और पांडव, मेरे पुत्रों और पांडव कैसे दिखते हैं यहाँ? बोलो संजय कैसे दिखते हैं यहाँ? कौन आए? So how they look like, what the hell they are doing, how much sons are, how the enemy are looking like, please tell me. So he is emotionally very charged.
And that's where those who read and understand would like to question, confront and handle. The workshop began with the rituals with the CEOs, directors and HODs of the corporate recently during the Teachers' Day of September 2025. Brought interesting dynamics of field force analysis and perception, the ground experiences of the leaders that was metaphorically exemplifying the understanding of leaders' dilemmas and empathetic posture of Arjuna within the leaders were not able to decide. The art of decision making, apprehensions and the way to learn in this crisis was all discussed through instrumentations, tools and pedagogical mixture of the process learning. An interesting, enriching experience of more than 20-25 people was very fascinating moment for the entire learning community.